Strengthening Faith 61. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a person who did not respect their national anthem, which was labeled unpatriotic by some. In reality, a true patriot to Allah, the Exalted, and one's nation, is not refusing to stand during a national anthem or saluting a flag. A true patriot is the one who supports others, such as their government, in things which are beneficial and praiseworthy in respect to Islam, irrespective of who is organizing or responsible for it, and who constructively criticizes others, such as their government, when they do something blameworthy in the sight of Islam, irrespective of who orchestrated it. This criticism must be constructive within the limits of the law, while avoiding all forms of vain or vulgar speech and actions. It should never lead to rebellion, as this only leads to the harm of innocent people, which history has clearly shown time and time again. It is important to note that each Muslim can behave in this manner, even if they are not in a position of political or social influence. Each person can behave like a true patriot in respect to others, especially their relatives, by behaving in the manner outlined earlier, meaning supporting good and kindly forbidding evil according to the teachings of Islam. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 2.
And cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression.
If each family unit behaved in such a manner, it would undoubtedly affect each town, city, and eventually the nation, until a true improvement occurs, which in turn benefits all irrespective of their faith. This good intention, and supporting it with sincere actions to improve a nation in this way, is true patriotism. Everything else is only a meaningless show. This is how one makes a country truly great again. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.